In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sender name on Yahoo Mail account. This is the name that appears in your recipient's inboxes next to your email address, and updating it can help your messages look more professional, recognizable, or simply current. We'll do this using a desktop browser, since the layout is clearest there and the controls are easy to find. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account in a desktop browser. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, since the change applies only to the mailbox you select. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon, the small gear symbol. Click that to open a quick settings panel. From that drop-down, choose More Settings. This takes you to the full settings area, where all the detailed options live. On the left side, you'll see a navigation menu. Click Mailboxes. This section controls your identities and the way your emails are labeled when they go out. In the main panel, you'll see the email address or addresses associated with your account. Click the specific email address you want to update. This opens the settings for that mailbox. Here, locate the field labeled your name or sometimes mailbox name. This is the display name that recipients will see as the sender on your outgoing messages. Click into that field and edit it to exactly what you want. Use correct capitalization, avoid extra symbols or emojis that might not render well, and keep it clear and professional if you use the account for work. It's perfectly fine to include a space, a middle initial, or a simple descriptor if that's appropriate. Keep in mind, changing this field does not change your actual email address, it only changes the way your name appears to others. After you've entered the new name, scroll down if needed and click Save at the bottom to apply the change. Saving ensures your update takes effect immediately. Some interfaces may appear to autosave, but clicking Save here is the reliable way to lock in your changes. That's it. From this point forward, when you compose and send emails from this mailbox, recipients will see the updated sender name in their inbox. If you don't notice the change right away in your compose window, a quick refresh of the page usually reflects it. Also, remember that some email apps cache information, so the new name may take a short time to appear everywhere. You've successfully updated your Yahoo Mail sender name, helping your emails look exactly the way you want them to.